Bangladesh Army officer and a close aide of the Chief Advisor Mohammad Yunus has suggested that the Dhaka should collaborate with China to occupy India's northeastern state if it attacks Pakistan in response to the Pahalgam terror attack. Also, Yunus' interim government on Friday distanced itself from the remarks made by the Major General, that is ALM Fazul Rahman, on his social media account. Also, in the Facebook post on Tuesday, Rahman wrote in Bengali that if India attacks Pakistan, Bangladesh should occupy the 7 states of the northeastern India, and I think that it's necessary to start discussions with the China on the joint military arrangement in this regard, he added. Also, Rahman was appointed by the Yunus-led interim government in December 2024 as the chairman of the National Independent Commission assigned to the investigation of the killing in the Bangladeshi Rifles Revolt of 2009. Distancing itself from the former army officer's remarks, Bangladesh Minister of the Foreign Affairs in the media released a statement saying that the comments do not reflect the position or policies of the government of Bangladesh, and as such, the government neither endorses nor supports such rhetoric in any form or manner. The government urged all the concerned to refrain from associating the state with the personal views expressed by Rahman, the Dhaka Tribune newspaper reported. Also, Bangladesh remains firmly committed to the principles of sovereignty, territorial integrity, mutual respect, and peaceful coexistence of all the nations, the ministry has said. Also, earlier in the March, Chief Advisor Yunus, during his visit to China, had remarked that India's 7 northeastern states, which share a nearly 1600-kilometer border with the Bangladesh, are landlocked and have no way to reach out to the ocean except through his country. In his address at the business event in China, Yunus said that Dhaka was the only guardian of the Indian Ocean in the region, as he invited the Beijing to send goods through the Bangladesh across the world. Also, the comment did not go down well in New Delhi. It also drew sharp reaction and criticism from the political leaders in India across all party lines. Also, day after the Yunus controversial remarks, India in April withdrew the transshipment facility it had granted to the Bangladesh for exporting the goods to the Middle East, Europe, and various other countries except Nepal and Bhutan.